Hi team, I'm Lydia Fay, your ginger gal pal, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair using Adore. It's a semi-permanent color that I've used before, so stick around so you can see the dyeing. I'm using shade 38 Sunset Orange. I'm just starting by combing through my hair. I've got a little bit of regrowth, but let's just pretend it's balayage. So it's a bit faint, a bit pastel-y, but this is a before. Let's get into it. I'm washing my hair because you apply it to damp hair. At the moment I'm using Briogio's Don't Despair Repair, just because I do have a bit of bleach damage that I'm trying to tackle with a bit of hydration. Okay, so getting into it, letting down my damp hair, brushing it through so there's no knots, just so it's easier to apply. I'm then going to, oh, don't do it, don't show the internet that, nasty. Click with the gloves, don't do it again, click. I just can't help myself. Okay, so that's the shade as it looks in the tub. I just kind of start with the roots. It doesn't take as well to the roots, but I'm just a bit paranoid that when I have my hair up, that you'll see it and it'll look weird. But bringing it down to the lengths of the hair, since my hair is damp, it was quite easy to apply. Just a bit of rub-a-dub-dub, making sure it's thoroughly in there. I know everyone's got their at-home technique that they use, but I just like to go in sections, making sure it's really saturated and thoroughly through the ends, because that's the bit that's kind of going to take most. But it was quite easy to apply. I was very happy with it despite the look on my face. Why am I concentrating so hard? How embarrassing. But yeah, another scrub-a-dub-dub. Make sure it's very saturated before I pin it up and wait. I think it was about 30 minutes. They recommend a little less, but it's semi-permanent, so can't do too much damage. And the end result, she's looking vibrant, she's looking copper, orange, very sunset if I do say so myself. So I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know what it was, a bit of a review, a bit of a, are you thinking you're gonna get this color? This is what it looked like on me in the sunshine. But thanks for watching, like this video, please subscribe to my channel. But that's enough ginger for one day. Bye guys.